Alright, here we are guys, Brouwergraad, 162 I think, taking the address from this house over here. It's a place where nobody really knows, you see it on the postcards a lot, but we are here. That one seems fairly complex, but I'm gonna work on it. It's really warm and I have to call it quits now. I didn't really focus on perspective. I want to get that wonky look in the background, especially with those buildings there. The camera was heating up, so I had to switch it off for a bit, but here it is. Let's go catch up and see what everyone else is working on, yeah? So thankful for that shop over there. It's my second round of drinks. This morning we have Firos and David, and they're going to share with us how the event or how the session was this morning. Where did you guys start from?
We started at the Noordermarkt, and it was very busy. People came very early, so you felt already the energy, and people very enthusiastic.
Okay.
But they spread very rapidly, and it was nice to see people so concentrated. Sometimes they didn't see me, just busy with sketching. It was nice.
And the end point, where are we now?
Well, we're now at the Noordermarkt, which is Dutch for Northern Market, and it's the site of the last of the churches made by the 17th century architect Keizer, who designed the South Church, where this whole symposium is based, that's its home base. But he also designed the Westerkerk, where we started, it's close to the Anne Frank house, and the Oosterkerk, where I don't think anyone is visiting. So we're visiting architectural sites and places of political importance. This spot occurred a number of political moments, especially at the end of the Second World War.
How was the session today? How was the turnout?
Many people.
Maybe 100, more than 100 were in total taking this walk.
Yeah.
Some for the whole thing, some for just parts of it.
Yes, I think people just joined and some really decided maybe yesterday, oh, let's join.
Yeah.
So that was nice to see that it's very spontaneous.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so we have Chloe from Hong Kong, and she's gonna share with us her journey this morning. Chloe, where did you go this morning?
I joined the sketch walk to Westermarkt. Yeah, and we were sketching next to the Westerkerk. Yeah.
Okay. What did you sketch?
I sketched the canal because there was a red boat and like a bridge and some other boats there, and it attracts me a lot, and that's why I drew over there.
Okay, what attracted you to sketch the canal?
I don't know, it's like the chemistry between the canal and the boats and the building, so it's like a very beautiful combination, and that's why I did that sport.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, very much. Yeah.
Okay.
Facebook card.
Schiphol today. She's from LA. She came with a troop of 8 people, more or less, and they've been sketching in this area too. Hello, hello. So, what was your inspiration for your piece, that beautiful piece that you did? Yeah, that one, yeah.
This one, I liked the reflection of water, the shapes of the trees and the buildings, and yeah, just like the feeling of horizontals.
Is that why you do panoramic?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I did. I think I was saying earlier about this sketchbook. It's a A6 honeymill watercolor sketchbook. Yeah, and then we could draw this side, you could draw this side, you could do a panorama.
Okay.
Yeah, both sides of the paper behaves the same.
Okay. How are you coping with the weather, the climate?
It's unexpectedly hot. I am from Los Angeles, so I am used to hot weather, but it's much drier so my allergy is kind of starting. It's humidity. So yes, I'm coping, but I have sketched in Singapore at the symposium. So if I can sketch in Singapore, I can sketch in this.
Anyway.
Anywhere.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy sketching.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
And have
Happy
a great
viewing.
time. So this group of ladies are from Barcelona.
Yeah.
And I have from the Netherlands.
Caesar from the Netherlands.
Caesar,
Yes.
nice to meet you.
Hello.
Yeah, and we're all, even myself, I'm eating in there, but we're all in this place called Tabak? Cafe Tabak, yeah. Yeah, so let's check out what they're working on. Wow. How did you decide to come here? Because it's next to cafe?
Yes, yes, because we are hungry and we need bears to draw.
The umbrella too, okay, very important.
Wow. Aquarella. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. And this is your sketch.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
I just want to say I love Gaudi. Antonio Gaudi, yeah. Folks, this is my dream car. I think it's really awesome. And it's zero emission. I think it can fit me and all my sketching stuff. Well, time for a sketch. Did you guys go for the workshop today?
Yeah, I had one this morning with Reham Ali. It was dealing with like architecture and buildings, but like perspective and like looking up. Yeah, she does the really great like 3-point perspective. It was a bit of a challenge and a different way of looking at things, but I really enjoyed it. Yeah.
Is that near here?
No, that was at a cafe. So the view from the cafe near the symposium hub. So it's Café de Schlosswacht, I think it is. It's like this crooked black house, and then you look out into the canal and you see this like tower.
Is it on your pass?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Laura.
Hi.
What colors do you use? What brand of colors? Are they
In
diff-
this one I have Schminke, Jordaan, and here I have the White Knights. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm a bit undecided.
Okay. That's
Think
really
they-
pretty. Yeah.
Thank you. They both have their ups and downs. So.
Is White Knights popular in Germany? Because I seem to be the only one using it in Singapore.
Sort of, but Schminke's the real popular one.
Yeah.
That's popular
Yeah.
too. So yeah, of course,
So you
it's
get that,
really
like,
good.
everywhere.
I'm living in France, but I'm doing USK with Geneva.
What else did you do?
This morning, it was with the American Book Center.
Yeah. Do you use?
Fountain pen.
It's good that you draw big. Thanks for sharing.
Welcome.
Yeah. Super.
My Instagram is Monsieur Espresso.
So you like coffee?
Exactly. Because
Okay.
I used to draw with coffee. So some.
Oh, look at that. Drawing with coffee.
This is coffee. This was in Morocco.
Nice. How long have you been urban sketching? Sketching.
This is kind of like, well, I've done a couple of, things here and there, but nothing significant. So I'm hoping that this will kind of get me going.
Okay.
We'll
It's
see.
my first symposium,
Yeah,
so
me
I'm
too.
excited.
Yeah.
Good.